Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Material. Today we discuss about the topic how to prove sine formula by vector method. Here is a formula: sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. In the figure you can see that I cap is a unit vector along OX axis and J cap is a unit vector along OY axis. Similarly, OP vector is a unit vector which acts along OR and OQ vector is a unit vector which acts along the OS as shown in the figure. Let's first discuss about the unit vector OP which makes an angle A with the x-axis. You can see in the figure the value of the point P is cos A and sin A. If we resolve the value of the point P, then cos A acts along the x-axis and sin A acts along the y-axis as shown. Now let's discuss about the unit vector OQ which makes an angle B with the x-axis. You can see in the figure the value of the point Q is cos B and minus sin B. If we resolve it into two components, cos B acts along x-axis and sin B acts along y-axis. The value of the sin B is negative because it lies below the origin as shown in the figure. Now we know the value of point P and Q. Therefore, the value of unit vector OP becomes cos A I cap plus sin A j cap. Similarly, the value of unit vector OQ becomes cos B I cap minus sin B j cap. Here we use the I cap and j cap because they act along the coordinate axis. You can see here we done the cross product of OP and OQ. Put the value of OP vector and OQ vector and do the calculation of cross product. After solving we get sin A cos B plus cos A sin B into k cap. Name this equation 1. During the calculation, put the value of j cap cross j cap is equal to 0, I cap cross I cap is equal to 0, I cap cross j cap is equal to k cap, and j cap cross I cap is equal to minus k cap. You can see here we put the value of I cap cross I cap and j cap cross j cap is equal to 0. This is because the cross product of two similar unit vector is 0. We know that A vector cross B vector is equal to AB sin theta. Since OP vector and OQ vector are the two unit vectors, therefore OQ vector into OP vector is equal to magnitude of OQ vector into magnitude of OP vector into sin A plus B into k cap. As we know that the value of unit vector is equal to 1. Therefore put the value of magnitude of OQ vector and magnitude of OP vector is equal to 1 in the above equation. Then the above equation reduces to OQ vector into OP vector is equal to sin A plus B into k cap. Name this equation 2nd. Now put the value of equation 2 in the equation 1. Then we get sin A plus B into k cap is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B into k cap. You can see here k cap acting along each side. So after cut the value of k cap on both sides, we get sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, which is the required formula. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.